Do you ever wake up feeling bloated and gross and feel like you just need a really good reset? Well, I've got the perfect drink for you. Let's go. Today we are going to be making a drink that will help you get back on track. And the first ingredient that you need is liquid chlorophyll.
More like borophyll, right?
So you might be wondering, May, what is liquid chlorophyll and why are you making me put it in this drink? Well, chlorophyll is what makes plants green. And don't worry, it's not gonna turn you into the Wicked Witch of the West, but it can help with blood detoxification, your gut health, cancer prevention, your immunity, and my personal favorite, odor control. Trust me, that works. I know from experience. Now the next ingredient we need is freshly squeezed lemon juice. Not the bottled stuff, it has to be freshly squeezed. You have to be really careful with how much lemon juice you have in this drink because too much can actually upset your stomach and weaken your teeth because of the high acidity of the lemon. But aside from that, lemon juice is really high in vitamin C. Gotta love those natural vitamins. And it's also really good for digestion. So if you kind of wake up feeling a little bloated, then this is definitely going to help with that. Now, the next ingredient you wanna have in this is ginger juice. Today I'm using ginger juice from the Ginger People because it's just so much easier to use. But if you don't have that, that's totally fine. All you have to do is chop off a chunk of fresh ginger, crush it, throw it in your drink, and let it sit for about 5 minutes just so the juices really extract from the root. Now, ginger is a really great addition to this drink because it is really good for your digestion, but it's also really good for relieving the symptoms of acid reflux. And if you've ever had acid reflux, you know it's nothing to joke around with. So you definitely want to be having this drink if you get acid reflux a lot. Anyway, the next ingredient we need to add is water. We could always have a little bit more water in our diet, right? So make sure you add at least a cup, but you can even add more if you want to. But this is gonna really help dilute the acids in the drink, so it's not gonna really burn going down. Give it a good stir, and then you're done. If this is too sour for you though, you can add in some sweetener, maybe some monk fruit sweetener or some stevia. It's totally your choice. This detox water is perfect to have in the morning, especially if you've had a weekend filled with unhealthy eating. This will definitely help get you back on track. Or you can even have this every morning if you want more of a daily reset like I do. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any more suggestions for videos for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.